The LG washing machine OE error code indicates that a washing machine is unable to drain used water during the wash cycle. In the case of a top loader, this error appears when the machine cannot drain water for 13 minutes. Several common causes can lead to this error, including a clogged drain hose, which restricts the machine's ability to drain water during a wash cycle due to obstructions. A clogged drain pump filter can also cause this error, as it collects foreign objects and debris, restricting its ability to drain used water. Furthermore, a faulty drain pump can cause the error, as it is responsible for draining water from the machine, and when it fails, the error code appears. To fix the error, several solutions can be applied. Inspecting the drain hose is a crucial step, which involves pulling the washing machine away from the wall to check for any clogs. If clogs are found and removed, running a spin cycle can confirm whether the error has been fixed. Additionally, cleaning the drain pump filter with warm water and a soft bristled brush can ensure it is free from blockages, preventing mold and odors. Testing the drain pump is also essential, which can be done by turning on the washing machine, selecting the high spin speed, starting the spin-only cycle, and listening for a humming sound that indicates the motor has started working. If these solutions fail, it is recommended to call a professional technician for further assistance.